Hello there, my name is the SlimeyDev, and today we're going to be making an automatic parking system. So this idea has been on my head for a long time. So I'm just gonna start explaining how this is gonna work. So this is a multi-story parking building. So it has an elevator to take the cars up and down. It's gonna have 2 floors and 1 ground floor, so 3 floors in total, and each floor is gonna have 2 parking lots. So the brains of this entire project is gonna be one Arduino Mega. So how it's gonna work is that each floor is gonna have 2 parking lots, and the ground floor, if the parking lots are free, then it's gonna let the cars to go to the ground floor, and if that's full, then it's gonna take the car through an elevator to the first floor. If that's also full, then it's gonna take it to the last floor, and it's gonna park there. Or if all of the floors are full, it's not gonna let any more cars in. So first we need to start buying the items. So I'm gonna need 6 pressure plates. Each pressure plate is gonna be 1 parking lot. Each floor is gonna have 2 parking lots, and there could be 3 floors including the ground floor. So we're gonna need 6 pressure plates. Each pressure plate is gonna act as a parking lot, and if the car is on top of the parking lot, if it's like on top of the pressure plate, then it senses it that there's a car on top of it. So it'll just send a signal to the Arduino saying that this parking lot is not free. After that, we'll need an Arduino Mega. I don't have an Arduino Mega, I have only an Arduino Uno. So I've done 2 other projects using that. You can check them out on my channel. And I'll need some wires, a breadboard, and I need an ultrasonic sensor, a servo motor. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
One eternity later.
Alright, so this is the circuit that I've made. It's basically a small version of the ground floor of the parking system. So this is like the boom of the first floor, ground floor. So it's basically that if the ground floor parking lot is available, then only then this will like open up. It'll just go up so that it'll allow the cars to enter the ground floor parking place. And this is the pressure plate. I have some other pressure plates over here. The pressure plates have arrived, and this is the Arduino Uno. The Arduino Mega hasn't arrived yet. This is like the breadboard and stuff. I already had it. Even the ultrasonic sensor, I already had it. And this is like a LED. This is another LED. So yeah, I'm going to be showing you this little system I have. So basically how this works is that if there is a car in front of the ultrasonic sensor, it detects it and it tells the barrier over here to open up, and it'll also check if this parking lot is like safe, it's not used, and if it's not used, then only then it'll open up. If it's used, then it'll stay closed. So for example, I'll show you this demonstration. I'm just going to put my hand in front of it. It opens, it closes, it opens and it closes. So it works. And if I take this Hot Wheels car and put it on top of this, first thing you'll notice is that this red light has turned on. Means this parking lot has been occupied. So now if I put my hand in front of this, the barrier will not open. If I take it out, nothing happens. It knows that it's there's a car on top of the parking lot, so it will not open. So if I take this off, the red light turns off and the barrier resumes to work as normal. Pretty cool, right?
The next day.
So my Arduino Mega just arrived. Compared to the Arduino Uno, it's pretty big, if you ask me. So it has like 16 analog pins and 53 digital pins. That's a lot of pins. So and we have these wires here that go to the Arduino Uno. We just have to take that and just reconnect them to this Arduino Mega and upload the code to the Arduino Mega. Alright, so everything seems to be working. If I put something over here, the red light turns on. I've uploaded the code and all the stuff, and servo motor seems to be working, as you can see. So if I put a weight on it, then if I do this, it's not opening the servo motor. So everything works. Alright, so after a week of coding and building, we finally have this. So it has the pressure plate and all stuff, except for this, it's not working for some reason, I don't know why. And it's the motor for the elevator that's connected all the way to the motor driver over here. And there are two batteries, one I used to power the Arduino Mega and one to power the motors. And there's a breadboard there, all these connections, and all these wires go and connect to the pressure plates. Yeah, and then we have the IR sensors. This IR sensor allows the cars to go in. This IR sensor allows the cars to go out. Then we have an IR sensor right here. This IR sensor allows the cars to basically activate the elevator and go down, so that the cars can go down. And we have another IR sensor over here, so that allows the cars to go from the second floor all the way to the ground floor. So now if there are two cars over there in the two bungalows in the ground floor, then the elevator will turn on and it will take the cars all the way to the first floor. If there are no cars there, then the servo motor will just open and then the elevator won't turn on. So the elevator should start now. Look at that. So it's moving up. Yep, it works. So now if the second floor is also full with the car over there, then I'm using a battery to simulate a car, so then the elevator should go all the way to the second floor. The elevator will get activated now. Okay, it does get jammed sometimes, but you can easily fix it. Yep, and it's done. Amazing, isn't it? And I want to mention one more thing. If all of the parking lots are full, then if I add a car if I put a car right in front of the entrance, the servo motor will not open because the entire parking system is full. So no more cars can park. Anyways, thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye guys.